Okay guys, so Swift has changed their policy one more time, and so let me pull it up on the Quadcom here. So my student forgot to do something. Oh wait, no, never mind, he did it. No, he did forget. Oh no, he didn't. I'm losing my mind. I should have actually restarted this. Oh well, I'm not going to, because you know what, I am training. He ran off for a little bit to do some personal matters, but there is my driver code. I don't care if you guys got it or not, but Swift's Per Diem rules have changed, and I'm unprepared for this video. Let me turn on that light and this light, even though it's daytime, it's a little dark in here. So, before I did anything, I talked to my accountant that I'm using that is helping me plan for everything that's kind of going on with my financial plans for this year. So, he got back to me early this morning and he told me, yeah, this is going to be good. So I'm just gonna show you guys this right here. Alright, so the part that really matters is, you know, how this payout works. So this right here, and let me kind of do this kind of thing, pause this as needed, but in short, I'm going to get $63 for every day that I'm out, because I'm out past the requirement for the per diem. So that's going to give me more tax benefits when it comes to the end of the year. Now, due to the fact of when this new per diem program went into effect, my benefits are not going to be as great until about 2019 or next year's filing. But I got other write-offs I can do, and I'm going to start up my other business here real soon. That's actually going to be the very next video that I'm going to do. I got some infographics I'm going to try to do on a computer. They're probably going to be absolutely terrible. Sorry, I don't do a whole lot of infographics. If somebody is out there who actually watches my channel, is good with infographics and would like to donate some of your time and help me with it, that'd be fantastic. And yeah, you would get like early access to some of my videos, which would be kind of cool, I guess. I don't know how that will all work, but I'm going to try to get this video up. Chances are I probably will redo it, but I'm going to start talking about my business plan, which, like I said, is going to be the video that's going to be right after this one. So yeah, that will be coming up. And then the other thing, I got some uploads that are coming from my old YouTube channel. It was MOA Autos. I'm moving all those videos slowly but surely over to this channel, and that channel I'm officially killing, just due to the YouTube policies. So at the description, it's gonna say re-upload. Okay, that's kind of what's happening there. And then anything I do automotive will be put on this channel. The other thing, you know, I've been upgrading my camera gear, but as some of you guys have noticed, I've not really come out with a whole lot of 4K video. My laptop can't do it. Okay, it's way underpowered. It takes way too long. Computer overheats. It's not working. Sorry. I bought a new computer. So I might actually do some gaming videos too, because I do like to play gaming. So there's some new content that might be coming out like that. I might start trying to do playlists and put everything in a playlist, so that way, you know, if you guys want to try to, you know, watch vlogs versus my automotive stuff, this, that, or whatever, I could somewhat categorize it a little bit. But 300 and some odd videos, it would take me a while to put all in a playlist, but I think I'm going to start trying to do that. Hell, I got a lot going on, but I am pretty excited about starting business again. I have some old matters I still have to take care of before I can start doing that, but I'm starting to get the final touches going. I gotta try to reach out to an attorney to have some paperwork overlooked at. I have not had that done yet. And attorneys always cost a whole lot. So I'm just trying to, minimize costs here. I do want to say my financial goals for this year was to hit $10,000 a month. Since I started mentoring, I'm hitting on average 8,000 something a month, almost 9,000. I had 2 months where I hit over 9,000, close to 10,000. I had 2 months where I came in really short because my truck was broke. So I think I'm going to average 10,000, 9,000 a month for the rest of this year, unless something happens. So I'm going to be a little short of my goal, but close enough, guys. I mean, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you can go back, you'll see that I was only making like $4 grand. So I've doubled it. Just grinding and learning how to make the money. And so, yeah, really hitting the goals there. And then with my business plan I want to put in place, I should be able to get the extra few grand that I'm missing to hit that goal. And I think for 2019, my financial goal is going to be, I don't know, maybe hitting 15,000 a month, maybe 20,000 a month. I don't know. Haven't quite set a goal yet. I still got the rest of this year to figure it out for next year's goal. But I think I am going to hit this year the goal where I kind of want to be at. Anyway, going to start trying to figure out how to do that other video. It's probably going to get cut up and be pieced together. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe. And somebody's almost done with their first 50 hours.
Yep. Don't mind me, I'm just adjusting myself.
So how's it going? Your first 50?
It's easy.
Easy?
Yeah. That's really all I could say. I mean, just pay attention, listen to your instructors. Don't try and do your own thing, and don't ignore all your classmates. That's the best advice I can give.
I agree with that. Quentin was listening to his classmates and was thinking he was going to get short. Come to find out, he actually upgraded before some of the other guys did. So he thought, yeah, anyway. But yeah, he's actually doing really well on his backing. And I might be doing some videos on his backing here soon and using it as educational, and also something that he could go back and watch if he wants to kind of see what he's doing from outside of the vehicle while he's backing in. For some of my students that helps. Anyway, see y'all later. And I think I've said it, but thank you for subscribing and pound that like button. See y'all.